Unveiling SpaceX's revolutionary vision, direct-to-cell satellites. SpaceX continues to redefine the boundaries of technology, with plans to deploy a network of 840 direct-to-cell satellites. In an orbit closer to Earth than any other satellites, these advanced devices will provide unprecedented mobile connectivity worldwide. SpaceX's ambitious satellite network will eliminate common connection problems and calls dropping out. It's a new era for mobile users. But it's not just about calls, texting, and data. These satellites could revolutionize navigation, weather forecasting, global surveillance, and more. Risks? Concerns? The SpaceX team is addressing them. From potential space debris to astronomical interference, they're taking every precaution. Stay tuned as we explore SpaceX's journey. A journey of innovation, risks, and infinite possibilities, all in the palm of your hand.